Hello, amazing learners! Give me a big smile. Yes, that's it. Today, we are talking about one of the most wonderful feelings in the world, happiness.
What is happiness, really?
Is it just a giggle?
Is it just a cheer?
Happiness is that warm, bubbly feeling in your tummy, like when you eat your favorite ice cream, or when you win a game of hide and seek, or when you finally finish that really hard puzzle. It's the feeling of sunshine inside your heart. But where does this amazing feeling come from? And how can we make sure we feel happy more often? Well, scientists who study feelings say that happiness isn't just one big thing, it's lots of little joyful moments put together. And we can help create those moments. We are going to unlock the 3 big secrets to a happy life. Are you ready? Connecting with people. We are social superstars, and spending time with the people we love makes our brains release special happy chemicals. Think about it. When you play a noisy game with your cousins, or you share a great story with your teacher, or you get a warm, tight hug from your mommy or papa, that's pure happiness fuel. The happier your relationships are, the happier you feel. Try to listen carefully when someone is talking, and remember to say thank you and please. These small actions make your connections strong, and strong connections make you happy. Doing things you love and learning new things. Happiness often comes from feeling proud of yourself. What is your favorite thing to do? Maybe you love drawing pictures. Maybe you love playing football. Or maybe you love building tall towers with blocks. When you are focused on something that challenges you or something that is just plain fun, you are building skills and feeling a sense of achievement. That feeling of, wow, I did it, is a huge part of being happy. It's called flow, and it means you are so focused on the activity that you forget about everything else. So, whether it's learning a new dance step or finally reading that big chapter book, keep challenging yourself. Doing your best always leads to happiness. Secret number 3. This secret is like magic. Have you ever shared your favorite crayon? Or helped your friend pick up their spilled toys? When you are kind to someone else, guess what? It makes you feel happier too. Kindness is a boomerang. It always comes back to you. When you help someone, you feel useful, important, and you make the world a little brighter. Even small acts of kindness count, like giving a compliment to your sibling or helping your grandparent with a chore. Giving is one of the quickest ways to receive happiness. Try it today. Now that we know the 3 big secrets, connecting, doing, and being kind, let's talk about your secret happiness toolkit. These are things you can do every single day to keep your happy meter full. Move your body. Running, dancing, skipping, or playing hide and seek. Exercise gives you energy and makes your brain smile. When you move, you feel good. Get enough sleep. Your body needs rest to repair itself and recharge its happy batteries. A sleepy kid is often a cranky kid, so make sure you get those Z's. Practice gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful. Take 1 moment every day to think about 3 things you are thankful for. Maybe you are thankful for your cozy blanket, or your yummy dinner, or your amazing pet. When you focus on the good things, you make happiness grow. And finally, remember this: it's okay not to be happy all the time. Everyone feels grumpy or sad sometimes, and that's perfectly normal. But when you use your happiness toolkit, when you connect with family, play the games you love, and are kind to everyone, you are building a strong, joyful foundation for your whole life. Happiness is not just something that happens to you. It's something you can work on every single day. Now go out there and find something wonderful to smile about today. See you next time. Happy learners! Bye-bye!